Good morning, friends! Today we are making a super fruit salad, the healthiest, most delicious, and most colorful thing I have ever made in my entire life, which is also the only thing I have ever made in my entire life. But still.
Good morning, Chef Ekra. Are you ready?
I was born ready, Mummy.
Then let us begin.
Before we cook, we meet our ingredients. Ready? Strawberry! Red and beautiful. Strawberries are wonderful for your heart. Say hello, strawberry. It said hello. Banana, yellow and strong. Bananas give your body energy, perfect for running and jumping and being very loud. Purple and perfect.
Grapes are a highly nutritious, hydrating snack for kids. Grapes are good for bone development and immunity.
Grapes are all good for brain. I am going to eat a lot of grapes.
To prevent choking from grapes, always slice grapes lengthwise rather than across.
Orange, full of something called vitamin C.
Vitamin C helps our body fight off colds, which keeps you from getting sick. Oranges are like tiny health superheroes. Kiwi, green and a little bit fuzzy, good for strong bones. Kiwi's good for strong bones, so you can jump higher.
Wow, Blueberries, tiny but mighty. Mom, what are they good for?
These little ones are amazing for your eyes, so you can see better.
Ekra, I was testing it. It is excellent. Step 1, and this is very important, friends. We always wash our fruit before eating it. Always. No exceptions. Even if you are very hungry. Washing removes dirt and keeps us healthy. Mummy taught me this and Mummy is always right. Did you just say I am always right?
Did you just say I am always right?
About washing fruits, specifically.
I will take it.
Step 2, cutting the fruit. Now, knives are only for grown-ups. I do not touch the knife. Mummy does the cutting. I do the other jobs. This is the rule.
That is absolutely the rule. Well done, Ekra. All right, let's start cutting the kiwi and orange.
I am peeling the banana. This is a very important job.
It is very important.
Done. I am excellent at this.
You are excellent at this.
In you go. In you go. In you go.
That one stays on the floor.
Children help with safe tasks like peeling and pulling grapes.
Safety in the kitchen is always first.
Mummy, it is the most beautiful thing I have ever made. It is beautiful, and now the special ingredients. Honey, a tiny drizzle of honey makes everything sweeter. Me.
Honey is a natural sweetener, much better than sugar.
And a squeeze of fresh orange juice. Now we mix, gently, very gently.
You are doing brilliantly, Ekra.
I know. The moment of truth. Mummy. I am the best chef in this house.
You absolutely are.
Friends, today we made a super fruit salad, and it was the easiest, most colorful, most delicious thing ever.
And look at everything good inside it, like strawberries for your heart.
Banana for energy.
Grapes for your brain.
Orange to keep you from getting sick.
Kiwi for strong bones. Blueberries for your eyes.
And honey, natural sweetness from our bee friends.
This is a superpower bowl. Eating fresh, colorful fruit every day gives your body everything it needs to grow strong, healthy, and full of energy.
Friends, make your super fruit salad today and enjoy.
Bye!